Our people from leaders or somebody, I am not mentioning anybody's name, they are going to other countries and criticizing the politics. Of course, different views are there. Ruling party should accept and respect the opposition. Right to differ is the basis of democracy. But a leader or somebody else, a citizen, going to other country and criticizing our setup here is unprecedented, and it is unfortunate. Such a situation also we have faced with brave decisions. Our Prime Minister got clean chit from on a subject even from the Supreme Court. BBC stated, no, we are not accepting that, their own version is imposed upon us. But the stand taken by some people, I don't want to say anything, unfortunate, I would like to say unfortunate was a situation last year. The present position, we are the fast growing economy in the world. Rate, I am mentioning rate, growth rate is concerned. Of course, fifth economy in the world, according to me, an evaluation by experts other than official, we are the fourth now, and our Prime Minister with the full confidence stated that within 2-3 years we will be the third. Installation of statues of Acharya Shushruta and Acharya Charaka at Rajbhavan campus. Rajbhavan has decided to pay a glowing tribute on the glorious heritage of Indian medicine by way of installation of statue of Acharya Charaka and Acharya Shushruta, two of the greatest physicians of ancient India, on the lawns of Rajbhavan. The direction of providing humanitarian assistance to the poor and needy people, Rajbhavan would start an Annapurna scheme under which food will be available to the needy without any cost.